What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. Hope everyone's doing well. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button, that way you don't miss any of the videos. So there's a couple of things that I wanted to mention before we get started. And one of them is that I've been having trouble making videos because my iPhone has been overheating, and usually I can only do videos during the day. So thank you guys for being patient with me. Really do appreciate it. The other thing that I wanted to mention too is that we are now at 1,100 subscribers, so thank you guys very much. I also do appreciate that. For the new subscribers, welcome. So let's go ahead and get started. So for today, we actually have the ProXOne all-in-wheel and tire cleaner. This actually has been out in the market for a while now, and I always end up passing it by. I did notice it because of the bottle, but I always seem to pass it by. And today I was at O'Reilly's and I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and give this a try. So let's go ahead and jump right into it, and we'll go ahead and see how this works. Alright guys, I want to go ahead and read the directions. It says 1. Clean one wheel at a time on a cool wheel. Spray product freely over entire wheel surface. Allow to soak for 30 seconds. Number 2. Rinse thoroughly with a strong stream of water. Number 3. Dry with a clean soft cloth. Important pre-test product for surface acceptance. If any surface damage, hazing, streaking, or spotting occurs, immediately stop use of product. Use in a well-ventilated area. Alright guys, so for my final thoughts, I thought this product did an excellent job as a wheel cleaner. I mean, it definitely took everything off of there. It doesn't say that it's a decon, but usually when chemicals turn purple, it usually is a decon or iron remover, and it definitely smells like an iron remover. So it does have a smell to it. It's not like really bad, but you know, it is what it is. It's a wheel cleaner. As far as the tires, I would not recommend this as a tire cleaner. The first time that I sprayed it on, and if you look really closely to the tire after I finish rinsing, there's still a lot of dust on there, and you know, road grime, or you know, just the tire, really the tire dressing that was still there. So I ended up doing 2 passes on the tires, and you know, used the wheel brush, and it did foam up, and I thought that, you know, after that it would be fine, but nope. Ended up wiping my finger on the tires, and there was still some stuff there. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend it as a tire cleaner. It definitely needs improvement on there, in my opinion. But as a wheel cleaner and a dedicated wheel cleaner, I think it does an excellent job. If I had my pressure washer, could have sprayed it all off and no problem. Majority of it did come off with just the water hose. So that's impressive enough as far as a wheel cleaner. But other than that, like I said, as a wheel cleaner, did a great job. As a tire cleaner, definitely needs some improvement. And hopefully they'll improve it, because I'm always looking for a good wheel and tire cleaner. You know, having a dedicated wheel cleaner is, I mean, it's cool, but it saves time when you can do both at the same time. So that's just my opinion. All right, guys, if you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. If you appreciate this type of content, feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.